This is my recipe for shrimp scampi. It's really nice and simple, but always delicious. And it goes on top of pretty much anything. Toasted bread, pasta, you name it. So good. All right, I'm adding a little bit of olive oil to the pan and just a little bit of butter, probably like half a tablespoon. And really, I'm looking for the foam to just cease. This is a 16-20 size of shrimp, which means it's 16 to 20 shrimp per pound. I find that a little bit smaller shrimp are always a little bit sweeter. So let's go ahead and add the shrimp to the pan. And I'm going to go ahead and season the shrimp now. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, some crushed chili flake, to that, I'll add a little bit of minced garlic. A little tiny bit of white wine. The tiniest little bit of chicken broth or stock. The juice of about a quarter of a lemon. My shrimp are cooked, so I will remove the shrimp and place them on a plate. And you do this so that you don't overcook your shrimp. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of butter. Allow that to swirl around. Thickening up beautifully. I'm looking for big bubbles, which I'm getting. A little bit of Italian parsley. Shut off my heat, swirl that in, and that goes right over the top. Yum. And then finally, I always feel like some crunchy breadcrumbs over the top of your scampi will give you that little crunchy beginning to an absolutely delicious dish. That was easy, right? You can find this quick, easy, and delicious shrimp scampi recipe at checkpleasefl.com.